So I'm sure you guys know that people are thinking that Rare Wubbox is saying let us out. I don't know for sure if he's actually saying that or it's just fan stuff, but let's hear him anyways. I guess you can say that the Rare Wubbox really does sound like has saying let us out, but in hearing different words, let me show you. Some people would say that he's just saying path not found, and it's true according to the monster handler anyways. That's gonna wrap it up for today. See you next time.